Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm gonna be checking out the Bissell SteamShot. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you wanna find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature with our user guide and manual walking us through everything we need to know about getting our product set up, how to operate, use it, learn more about all the included tools, accessories, and warranty information. They also have their customer service and contact info. Next, you can see all the different accessories that we have right here. Check it out. And we have our 6.6 ounce maximum cup right there. And lastly, you can see the SteamShot itself. Check it out. Everything looks great. We got the Bissell logo and branding, push to turn. You can see our knob up at the top, our button on the back. And you can see the very bottom of the unit, nice grip handle. You can see the front too, where all of our accessories attach. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. Setup simple and straightforward. The first thing we have to do is go ahead and attach the piece that you see right here. We also have a directional arrow on the piece itself, letting us know how to get it installed. So just line it up and then pull it back towards ourselves like we're, revving a throttle on a motorcycle. So there we go. We have that piece installed. Now you just choose the accessory or attachment that you want. We have a grout cleaner, a plastic scraper, a concentrator nozzle, 3 different brushes that are color coded. And just touching each of the bristles, they feel different in regards to their firmness. So let's go ahead. Let's just grab this accessory right here. Just gently press it on. There we go. Very simple. Concentrator, same thing. You can see installs really nicely. Grout cleaner. Everything's really easy to use. Grab the brush head you want. There you go. Everything is installed. Now, the only thing left to do is install our water. So you can see we can twist the cap right here. Comes right off. Push to turn as needed. And we can go ahead, use the included cup. 6.6 ounces max. Go ahead, pour that back in there. Then you're going to go ahead and put this cap right back on. So very nice, easy to fill up thanks to the cup that we have here, and you can just swap the accessories as you see fit. Now let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so first up, we're at the kitchen sink. We have the concentrator nozzle attached. We're gonna see what we're able to clean with this right here. We have a couple of hard to reach areas in the back. You can see where it's left a mark that we can't just scrape or scrub off. So hopefully this will be able, around our faucets, right here, to be able to give us that nice clean we're looking for. So again, concentrator nozzle is connected right here, and you can see how it's going to come out. Check that out. That's pretty cool. And we'll start at the top. So we'll go ahead, we'll keep steaming it. And we'll go right around here. Go to the other side. Come around this one too. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Check that out. We're cleaning and filming at the same time. So now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to keep cleaning. We're going to come back and see the results. So before applying any additional steam, I went ahead. I took my fingernail right here, and I was actually able to scrape some of it away now, which is really exciting. So we're going to work this little tool, and I know it's supposed to be on the steamer itself, but we're just going to work it around here, and I can tell already that it's able to get just about all of that gunk off. So now check that out. You can see it looks way, way better. Let's keep scrubbing for a second. There we go. Now we'll keep applying our steam and come back and see the final results. All right, so here's the grand reveal. While not perfect, I was at a stopping point where nothing else I could do using abrasive brushes didn't matter. The cleaner I was using, nothing would work. So I'm really impressed that just with a couple of squirts right here with our steamer, that it was able to improve it so much. Again, there's a couple little pieces left, but this is just one clean. So now we can keep breaking that down and consistently cleaning it for the next couple of days. And we should see hopefully even better results long term. This looks great too, steaming up here at the top. Got rid of gunk. There was some gunk around here too. Looking at our other faucet, same thing. It looks really good along the back. Really happy with this one as well, especially because this one hadn't been as dirty as long. So I'm really pleased so far, and that's a really difficult stain to remove, so to speak, the water buildup there. So count me impressed already. Let's go on to our next test. So this one's gonna be a lot of fun. We got the microwave right here. We're gonna use the steamer to see if we can break down a lot of the content, stains, splatters, all that good stuff here in the microwave. So first up, I thought we'd go ahead, we'd start with the brush right here. So let's go ahead, let's do some cleaning. Move all along the back. Now let's continue on with another attachment. So now we got our handy dandy concentrator right here. We're gonna steam the ceiling, we'll steam the sides and the bottom, then we'll come back through, wipe everything down with a paper towel and see where we're at. Six paper towel wipe downs later and you can see the results. The microwave has never looked better. It looks as good as new. All thanks to our steamer right here and that little nozzle. That's definitely becoming my favorite one to use, hands down. We even cleaned the door with it as well. You can see that right there. So everything looks amazing, so nice. I can't believe steam is all that it took to make this look so clean. Now, let me share with you my final thoughts in regards to the Bissell SteamShot. Honestly, I was skeptical at first. How can something without any solution or anything like that be able to clean? Well, I'm blown away. This is small and compact, and it's super affordable, and it actually gets the job done. Microwaves, appliances, maybe you gotta clean in your oven, things like that. All those hard to reach nooks and crannies around your faucets. I'm really impressed with what this is able to do. As long as it can reach to the area you want to clean, you will definitely see an improvement over your next best option of cleaning. So I really have enjoyed using this product, and I highly recommend having one around the house because you never know what's going to come up that you want to clean. Now, with all that being said, there are a couple things I'd want to see improved in the future. The first one is a no-brainer. They should give us some sort of visual indicator on here, letting us be able to see the water tank level just with some clear plastic, maybe a couple lines too, so we know if it's half full, quarter full, 3/4 full, that sort of thing. So I really feel like that's missing from the design and something really easily they can add into it. Other than that, I'd like to have some sort of extension nozzle or tube that's really small and compact so we can get into those really hard to reach areas and blast them with steam. There's nothing wrong with the concentrator, but this isn't that much to work with if you're trying to get those hard to reach areas, like in my case, between the backsplash and the kitchen sink faucet. This just can't fit and get close enough to really blast that area. So I'd like to see a different attachment, a longer extension, something like that that you could use. Also, I'd like to see some better brushes as well. Same thing, maybe a little bit longer, wider, that sort of thing. Give us a nice variation. Lastly, I'd also like to be able to have, with this particular unit, the ability to use it for clothes. I guess technically you kind of could, but it'd be nice to have a clothing specific attachment so it can act as a cleaner as well as a steamer / iron for all of your clothes. But overall, at this price point, you really can't go wrong.